Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. My nails are a little crazy, please don't mind them, but if I focus on getting my nails like fixed before I start recording, I'm never gonna record. So we have an unboxing, and thank you for bearing with me. Thank you for staying on this video. If this is gonna bother you, sorry. See you in the next one. Um, but so yeah, so I have my second subscription for Hubman and Chubgirl, but this time I added something to it. I think I added a different subscription. They get you. I think they gave me 50% off the next one, and I didn't do it, but I'm probably like, "Ugh, I should have done it." But anyway, this is what it came in. I just took off the label. It's cute because it has my name on it. It's very nice. So that's why we have two. Oh, so I don't know. I don't know what I did, but there's two. Oh, there's two different ones. Guys, I don't know how this website works. I'm gonna be honest. So it says, "Have a very good day," which is so cute. Love the little duckies, strawberries and berries. And I think this is like a little journal. No, oh, this is a sticker book. How cute. Oh, and it has a few pages. Maybe what, 10? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. Very cute. Thank you. This is nice for those pages that you're almost done with but aren't completely finished with. So I like that. So I have no idea what I did because this looks like the same. So maybe I didn't upgrade my thing. Maybe I just got an additional one. Yasmin. Oh, so they're cute anyway. Maybe I'll give this one away. So we have two die cuts. And then this is the mini journal. Maybe. Obviously, I don't know what I'm talking about. No, this is another sticker book. How cool. I love that. That means that the other one is a sticker book too. Guys. All right. So let's take a look at the stickers. So we have beach themes, beach scenes. Very nice. I'm loving that. And what I love about it is that there's two of each of the stickers and they're mirror images. So if you go down the line, each of them are mirror images. So if you want to do a Dutch door, these are easy to do Dutch doors with. Everything is very symmetrical. Very cute. He's on a wave. So this is, I'm assuming this is the sticker one that I did. But I felt like this wasn't enough stickers. What was it that it was the fact that I felt like it's a lot of stickers, but the way I work, it didn't give me everything I needed. I don't know. Let's see. And this is the assortment. See, this one says it at the bottom. This is the variety pack. 7 assorted sticker sheets. So this one comes with all the different kinds of stickers. And then this has gold foil on it. These are some circle stickers. It says summer fun, just winging it. I love summer, things like that. Then we have some washi stickers, some washi strips on washi tape. These are cute. Are these? These are not cut out in the middle. And I think you could write on these. Very cute. We have some icons, some emojis, faces on each of these. All different. I'm looking at all the orange ones, and all the orange ones have a different face on them. So that's cool. Like if one color, if you just want to do one color, each of them have a different face, which is nice. Some clear stickers, transparent stickers, I guess, with some scenes on it, some beach themes. I don't know if you could see them. They look really cool. I like the fact that it has a frosted background. And orange is like my favorite color. I love the way this looks. And these are the Polaroids. Maybe I can like grab all the Polaroids and like, I don't know, do something pretty cool with them as a collection, you know, as like a memory keeper for Hubman and Chubgirl, a page of them. Just a thought. So this is the Beach Birds collection. If you hear music in the background, that is my son's favorite YouTube channel, Canticos. It's in English and in Spanish. And they sing so many songs, and all he is just excited throughout the whole time that it's on. It's so cute. Okay, so I may have some duplicates here because I didn't know what I was doing. So there's that. So let's take a look. It looks like this side is duplicated, which is not a bad thing. Let's see. Fun in the sun, beach snacks, sand, sea and sands. I think so. So yeah. So I did that. And then this is the same thing. It's a sticker book. A sticker album. Okay, so let's see what this is. Oh, they come up from the top, which is kind of cool. And then these are thinner stickers, and they have a little bit of shine to them. I mean, yeah, they all feel the exact same. It feels so nice. Anyway, so this is July, which is July is my birthday month, which is very nice, like that. Then we have the days of the week. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 days, 5 weeks. Then we have the days, all different colors. These are circle. Cool. These are square. So that's nice. This is all the, what is that called? You know what that's called. You know. Oh my goodness, I haven't done this in so long. My gosh. These are the functional boxes, the functional stickers, those kinds of things. And now we have some other cute little emojis of them, and they're so much smaller than these. Let me just give you the comparison. Much smaller. Okay, and these are all for July, it looks like, because it has 07. So that's what I'm assuming. Pretty. Sandcastles. Beach time. So these are all little like icons. All right. So that is my package. I now have to go see what it actually entails, because maybe I can get something different with the amount that I paid. I have no idea. I don't know. But yes, so I got 2 of certain parts and then 1 of the other. I don't know. I don't know how this works. I'm not used to them being from the top, these little things. But very nice. Thank you so much. I love the packaging. I love everything about these little things. These I love these if I understood what I wanted to say. Oh my gosh. I cannot think. This subscription. If they're not expensive, they come pretty fast. I should be having something else come in today, which I'm excited to record. But yeah, I think I'm just going to do this today because I'm nervous that my son is gonna wake up. But if he doesn't, then maybe I can do this week's. I need to call the doctor's office. So I want to do this week and then still have to do the monthly. Because I think this will be cool for a monthly. I think I want to do like July's monthly, but I don't have all my schedules finalized for July. So I'm gonna have to wait on that, guys. So if you are interested in seeing me use these products, I will be using them in my July monthly, probably in the next week or so. So look out for that, and look out for my other unboxings and my other plan with me's, because I'm going to I am going to have a better schedule coming in the next coming weeks. So look out for that. So I'm getting back at it, guys. If you are enjoying any of my content, please, guys, consider subscribing to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm so close to 500. My goal is to get to 1,000 by the end of the year. So I would love to see that, and I would love to see you guys join my community. So see you in the next one. Bye now.